Hello, my spooky friends. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Halloween. It's September. It's fall. It's autumn. It's time to get spooky. So this is my first tutorial back on YouTube. I haven't posted in a couple of months. I just took some time off, but now that we're back in spooky spirit, of course, I need to start posting again. So today I am doing this super glam Spiderweb liner, and I am using my brand new palette in collaboration with a.l.i.e.n Cosmetics. If you have not seen or heard, make sure you go check out my Instagram as well. But we are going to be talking about dates here very soon, within the next week. It should be available to purchase, so get ready, y'all, because look at this. I was so inspired by the Haunted Mansions kind of color scheme, so I wanted to do something that was like colorful but spooky, glamour ghoul inspired. It's all about Morticia, Lily Munster, Vampira, Elvira. So that's what I was inspired by. Color-wise was the Haunted Mansion, and then of course all my favorite glamour ghouls. It's called Hauntingly Glamorous. And I'm so obsessed with it, you guys. So I thought, why not do a really pretty purple look using the dark blue, which is called Seance Weather. And then I'm going in with the darker purple as well. The purple shade that I'm using is called Drop Dead Gorgeous, and it's more of a violet undertoned purple. The other purple that's in this palette is called Unhappy Darling, and it's more of like a grape colored, like cool toned purple. And then the next shade I'm using to blend everything out is Unpleasant Dreams, which is this really pretty like lilac periwinkle color. It's just so perfect for blending out purple shades. I'm obsessed! I know that's biased, but I am. I love it. I love what I created, and I think you guys will really love it as well. And yeah, I'm stoked about this. I did a palette last year with Spoiled Cosmetics, which was called Glam-O-Ween, and I do believe a lot of y'all were able to snag one. But this year we're going a little different. We're going to be doing something different, and I made sure to make this palette very different from my Glam-O-Ween one, but they are so wonderful to use together. They complement each other very well. I went ahead and I used the shade Elvira, which is this pink shimmer shade, on my lid. And now I'm taking my Spoiled Cosmetics Ice Queen liner, and I'm starting the shaping for the Spiderweb liner. Yeah, it just wasn't going right with the white, so I ended up going in with the black liner, my NYX Cosmetics Hella Fine That's the Point liner. So I already did most of it, because I just didn't really know where I was going with this or what I was doing. I was trying to follow a picture. I tagged the artist on Instagram. I was inspired by her, and hers was so flawless, and I was trying to get that same thing, but I was having a hard time with it. I love drawing spider webs on my lids, but they are hard because you can't do like straight lines. You gotta do curved lines. And all these little, you know, the webbing there has to be curved inward, and they all need to meet up with each other. So it is really like meticulous and time consuming, and it can be a little difficult. I'm now taking a Colourpop Lizzie McGuire blush. I just wanted something light, pink, and sparkly. And then I'm going in with the shade Seance Weather from my Hauntingly Glamorous palette. And I'm smoking out the bottom, and then I'm also using Drop Dead Gorgeous, which is that purple shade, and I'm just really, really blowing it out and smoking it out underneath there. I'm going to be taking this white liner. This is from Urban Decay. It's part of their Prince collection. It's called When Doves Cry, and I'm just popping that right in my waterline, and then also using the shade Elvira, again from my palette, and putting it on the very inner corner of my eye, and also on my eyebrow bone. Gotta have a little shimmer, gotta have a little sparkle. My palette is so cute. You guys are gonna die when you get your hands on them. But everything is named after the glamour ghouls, or their quotes from their movies, or things that they say. I just am so obsessed, and there are little gravestones and ghosts stamped into the palette, you guys. I died, and that's a pun for you today, because gravestones and ghosts, you know? I'm using the Ursula Colourpop highlighter, and I just highlighted my cheeks, my forehead, my nose, and then I'm going back in with my liquid liner, doing the inner corner point that I always do, that I love so much because it really accentuates my eyes. I'm using my NARS Climax Extreme Mascara. I actually really love this mascara, especially for days that I'm not wearing false lashes. This mascara is pretty awesome. It's really, really volumizing. I'm pretty obsessed with it. I'm going to be going in with a smaller pair of lashes today. Well, small to me. I'm using my Makeup a Murder lashes, number 5. And they're still dramatic, don't get me wrong. Okay, they're still dramatic, but for me, y'all know I be putting on the lashes that touch my eyebrows. I just really love giant eyelashes. But I'm using my Makeup a Murder ones, and I think they just complemented the look very well. I'm also using a black liner and just tight lining my lash line up there while the glue is drying on the other pair of lashes, and then I go back in with my liquid liner and just clean it up and make sure the whole line is looking nice and smooth. I went ahead and did my hair and popped in my Haunted Mansion earrings from the Black Dahlia designs. Yes, spooky. I'm going in with my Laura Mercier Wild Grape lip liner, overlining my lips just a touch, just a little bit. And then I'm going to be using my Melt Cosmetics Beetlejuice liquid lipstick. It's called It's Showtime, and it's so pretty. It's like a metallic, purpley, shiny shade. I really love it because it looks metallic and shiny, but it dries down, so it doesn't have that like texture. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my first tutorial back. Please make sure you stay tuned on my Instagram to see when my palette will be launching. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait for you to see all the things I have in store for this spooky season. Have a wonderful day. Bye, ghouls.